Hey, how you guys doing? Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. I got an interesting one for you today. I've got right here a Ford Fusion. It's a 2010 Ford Fusion 3.0 liter. It's a V6. Problem with this vehicle is the battery light would just not go away. As soon as you crank the car on, it drives fine. It cranks right up every morning, no problems, no issues. Cold start, no problem. It's just the battery light is on. If you've checked the alternator, if you check the alternator fuse in the fuse box right here, I believe it's a 10 amp. If you check the battery, this is brand new battery that the previous person have installed on the car just recently. We've done the alternator test, we've done the battery test, we've checked fuses, we've checked wires. We couldn't find anything visible. Then I decided to spend a little more time on the alternator itself. Even though that the charging was showing okay on the multimeter that we used on the alternator. So I just want to show you, if you've exhausted all these things and you spend enough time with the battery, alternator, wires, fuses, and that battery light is still on, this is what you need to check on. I'm going to bring you down there on the alternator. I'm going to remove this harness on the alternator, and if I could have you come this way actually, and I'm going to just put some light. This harness has a 3-pin, and if I just unclip this and just remove it up, this what I have found. As you can see, looks like some kind of corrosion, got rusty, and it has broke the 3rd pin from the left side on the alternator itself. If you look right there towards the engine, let me just get a light for you there. Yeah, try to zoom in a little bit. Yep, right there. Right there, there's a broken pin on the 3rd pin there. It's broken. I just wanted to show you that's the problem that's causing the not the check engine, the battery light to show on, and it has already broke inside this harness. So in this case, I'm gonna actually replace the harness itself. I don't want to reuse this, and I'm gonna go ahead and look at replacing that alternator plug right there. There should be 3 pins coming out of it. I see only 2, and the 3rd one was stuck in this harness. Thanks for watching, folks. I just wanted to show you one of these findings in case you are having a similar issue. I do appreciate you guys watching and following me. Thumbs up and stay connected. Thanks.